Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can use a custom font on your Shopify store. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now logged into my Shopify account. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go, for example, to products. Once you go to products, you can from here either click on find products to sell, import products, or lastly add your product. So we're gonna click on add your products. And as you can see guys, now we are here. So what you need to do guys is fill this form with the informations of your products. So right here, you're gonna type the title. For example, I'm gonna type t-shirt, and under it, you're gonna find the description. For example, I'm gonna type uh, black t-shirts, and if you go right here, you're not gonna find the option to change the font. So in order to change the font, all you need to do, guys, is copy the description and then open a new tab in your browser and type font, copy paste, and then you're gonna find a lot of websites that can generate you some custom fonts. For example, I personally use LingoJam. Go ahead and click on it. And then you need to go right here to this box in the left, click on it, and then paste your text. And as you can see, guys, right here, you're going to find a lot of fonts. You can choose any font that you want. For example, I'm going to copy this one. Go ahead, click on Control C, and then go back to your store. And then all you need to do, guys, is paste the text that you copied. And now you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.